Hey guys, how's it going? If y'all watched the video before this, y'all seen I finally shot a limit of rabbits for the very first time. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to clean them. Clean one. As you can see, I've already got a bunch of meat from the other ones I've cleaned. If you don't have a table like this, a cleaning table, that's okay. Just do it in your mom's kitchen, wife's kitchen, whatever. They'll be okay with it. All right, so what I like to do, and this might be different from the way your grandpa showed you to do it, and that's okay. Everybody does it a different way, but me, I like to make a cut on the back through the fur. Then I'll put 4 fingers in that cut. I know this video is going to get demonetized, but that's okay because I'm not making money yet anyway. Take your fingers and peel it back like you're peeling a sock, just like this. Okay, that gets almost all the meat exposed. And just keep pulling. You pull all the fur away from the meat. Featuring Drake, by the way. He took off with one of my rabbits a few minutes ago. First time he's ever even seen a rabbit. Yep, just pull it all the way back. Now what you can do for here, I'm going to show you guys how to quarter them. But some people will do like this, and they'll go ahead and cut the head off. This is a little graphic, so I'm gonna make sure to put graphic in the title. Take the head, throw it in your nasty bag. Keep peeling that away. Look at the set of nuts on that one. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, no, he does got some big old balls on him. But look, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just keep peeling that fur back until you got your back legs. Can you quit? Can you hold it together while I'm making a video?
Drake is shit in the bag. That's all I can see.
Drake's defecating behind me. All right, anyway, so what a lot of people do from here, they'll cut open his belly, remove the guts, the heart, the liver, the lungs, all of that, rinse him out, cut the legs off, cut the balls out, all of that, and they'll leave the rabbit whole if they're gonna cook him on the grill, whatever. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not cooking him on the grill. So what I'm gonna do from here is I'm gonna take the legs, break them. Very simple. Then once you break them, all that's holding it together is just skin and tendon. Cut it right off. Same thing on the next one. Break it. Skin and tendon holding it together. Cut it off. Now you go right in here under the armpit. Cut through the armpit. Cut around. You'll feel some bones. You can get around them. Like that. Just feel your knife around them. I'm going to set that to the side right there. Same thing on the other one. Go in the armpit, start in the armpit. And just cut around them bones. You see that's bloodshot really bad. I'm gonna try to get as much out of it as I can to be able to salvage most of the meat, but that's pretty bloodshot. All right, now we can go to the back straps. Just make an incision right here. You can use your gut hook if you got one. Put it down in that skin and you'll see it opens up. Just like that. Now you can pull that skin back. And you can make a cut right here behind the, leave it. Drake's got a rabbit head. Make a cut right in front of your hind quarter. And just cut like you would fillet a fish, right up against that that spine, and just keep going as you pull up on the back strap. Now you got a nice piece of meat there. Flip it over, do the same thing on this side. You see you got all that nasty skin. You can put this knife in there and that separates it. Leave it. See, and then you get your good meat exposed when you pull that skin back. Just like that. Now you'll go right in front of that hind corner again, cut down, and then cut with the spine like you would fillet a fish. You might miss a little bit of meat, but again, I shot a limit today. Whoops, I'm going to have to rewash all those now. So I'm not really sweating it. Now you go in here, cut that, break it, cut that off. All right, there's some fur, just kind of try to pick it off. I'm gonna show y'all what I do about the fur. All right, now back here, start cutting in. See that meat starting to separate? You'll feel a joint here. Cut in beside his balls, and you'll see that joint. What you can do is just take and pop it out. I don't think I got it right then. There it went. See that ball joint? That joint goes right in there. Once you get that out of the way, you can take this knife and cut him all the way through. Same thing on this side. Start it off right here, cut at the knee, around the knee, break it. Just like that. Cut that off. Right here, under that bone. Just like that. Now you got that meat. Watch his nuts again. You don't want to cut his ball sack open or his piss sack. Then you're gonna get it all in the meat. All right, again, take it, pop that joint, just like that, just separated. Now you can get in there with your knife. Boom. That is how you quarter a whole rabbit. Now, to rinse, again, if you don't got one of these tables, that's okay. Use your mom's sink, use your wife's sink. Preferably do it when they're not home. Now, to get the hair off, you're just really gonna wanna work the meat with some water. Yeah, I'm trying to get all that bloodshot out of this one. See, it cleaned up pretty good. I've about got all the fur off of it. Once you got all the fur off of it, just sit it to the side. Go on to your next one. I shouldn't be doing this, by the way. I got a bucket down here. I just used it. Clean them up. That's some pretty meat right there. And what I'm gonna do with this, guys, on this one, usually I fry it up. What I'm gonna do with this one is I'm gonna cook it like you would a, I don't know, a ham, or there's a pellet in this one, guys. Try to get them pellets out. See, it just came out. Try to pop them pellets out as you're cleaning the meat so nobody don't get no lead in their teeth, break a tooth like that. But I'm gonna put these in an Instapot with some beef stock, some onions, some peppers, some carrots, some potatoes. And I'm gonna cook them like you would like a roast or something like that. And see how it comes out like that, because like I said, I usually fry them. but I ain't gonna fry them this time. I'm gonna spin this and clean this tank out. There's a BB right there going down. Put him back in there. Anyway, once you got all your meat clean, there's a pellet in here. So you can pop that pellet right out. I don't know how good y'all can see that. Pop the pellet right out the meat, and it'll be fine. And if anybody ever told you after cleaning a rabbit you could get every single hair off, they're a lie. Don't listen to that. You're gonna have some. You're gonna have to eat some hair. I mean, you could probably do like a duck, like you would on a duck, and use like a torch or something to torch them off. But other than that, you're gonna get some hair. I'm trying to get all this lead out. This one got tore up. There's lead all in him. Anyway, guys, there they go, all cleaned up. There's all the clean meat right there. What?
You got to clean these.
Oh, I didn't clean these, but y'all get the idea. I mean, just rinse them off with water. You're good to go, and you've got a fully quartered rabbit. You can do whatever you want with it. I take them just like this and fry them up, just like this. Batter it and fry it. Deep fried in some oil, man, good stuff. Use some flour, or you can use I use panko breadcrumbs. Gives it a really good crunch. But that's the way I like to do it. But there's a million different ways to prepare it. I just wanted to show y'all how I clean it, and y'all saw it was like, it took me like 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes to clean a rabbit. Very, very quick the way I do it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, and as always, take it easy.